Good morning. If you wake up feeling like your back is made of rusty hinges, you are not alone. Today I'm walking you through a gentle 5-minute morning routine to help your back feel looser and more awake. Quick note before we start. This is general wellness information, not medical advice. If you have an injury, ongoing pain, or any health concerns, please check with a qualified professional first. Move slowly, breathe, and never push into pain. Ready? Let's ease into it. We'll start standing. Feet about hip width apart, soft knees. Take a slow breath in through your nose, feeling your ribs expand, and a long breath out. Let's do 3 of these together. Inhale and exhale, letting your shoulders drop away from your ears. This tells your body it's time to move. Reach your right arm up toward the ceiling and lean gently to the left. You should feel a comfortable stretch along the side of your body, not a strain. Breathe here for 2 slow breaths, then float back to center and switch sides. Left arm up, lean to the right. Keep it easy and light. Think long and open, not deep and forced. Come down onto your hands and knees. Wrists under shoulders, knees under hips. As you inhale, let your belly drop and gently lift your gaze. That's cow. As you exhale, round your back toward the ceiling and tuck your chin. That's cat. Flow slowly between the two, letting your breath lead the movement. This is one of my favorite ways to wake up the whole spine, one segment at a time. Keep going for a few more rounds. From here, sit your hips back toward your heels and walk your hands forward into child's pose. Let your forehead rest down and your arms reach long. This is a resting stretch for your lower back. Breathe slowly and imagine your back gently widening with every exhale. If your hips don't reach your heels, that's completely fine. Just relax where you are. Now come up to a comfortable seated position. Sit tall, lengthen through the crown of your head, and place one hand behind you and one on the opposite knee. On an exhale, twist gently, leading with your chest, not by yanking your neck. Just a soft, easy rotation. Take 2 slow breaths, then unwind and repeat on the other side. Twists help your back feel mobile and refreshed. Let's finish standing. Let your chin drop and slowly roll down as far as is comfortable, keeping your knees soft. Then, 1 vertebra at a time, roll back up to standing tall. Big breath in, arms reach overhead, and exhale, arms float down. And that's your 5 minutes. Doing a little gentle movement most mornings can help many people feel less stiff and more ready for the day. Listen to your body, stay consistent, and be patient with yourself. If this helped, subscribe for more practical, science-backed wellness tips, and I'll see you tomorrow morning. Take care.